Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can delete the borders in Google Docs table. So let's go quick into the process. So just simply open your Google Docs that has a table in it. So in my case, I have this one. On how we can delete these borders, it's just very easy. So just please bear with me. First is we need to select the whole table by dragging this cursor up to the last row. And that's it. Now, once you have selected the whole table, you will find all these options at the top. Click on these three dots, which is more options. And here you will find this one, border width. Click on that. Now, from the list of options, simply choose the first one, which is 0. And that's it. You have just deleted the border rows on your Google Docs table. And if you want to bring this back again, you just need to select again this whole table and then click on the three dots, click on this border width and simply choose your border width. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.